Hello, Beethoven Bears. Good morning or good afternoon. Whenever you're watching this video, I want to say good morning or good afternoon. Whether you are our hybrid or online students, I'm so happy you're checking this video out. And hello as well to our Beethoven community, our family, and our parents. Today, I am filming the video on Tuesday, May 4th, and if you don't already know what May 4th is, may the force be with you. So there we see our favorite new character. I think his name is Grogu. I know we also call him Little Yoda. I'm a Mandalorian fan. I love Star Wars as well. So may the force be with you on May the 4th. We are still focusing on being resilient. I know. We've been talking about this word so much, but it's so important during this time. And I know that you will never forget this year because half of the year you persevered and the other half of the year you were resilient. You have practiced such strength, patience, calmness. You've been flexible, and we just have to keep it going for another 7 or so weeks to make it through until June and come back refreshed in August. To do that, you do have to have a growth mindset. You have to be ready for those challenges, open to new ideas, learn from each other, and continue to persevere and be resilient. You have to do that by being open-minded and having a growth mindset. Our word of the month is patience. We are going to continue to use this word because when you're dealing with so many changes at home, at school, with schedule, with hours, getting up early, new expectations, new rules to follow, the best way to tackle these new things is to be patient. And I am really proud of all of our Beethoven Bears because you really are doing a great job being patient, doing it with respect and grace. And I want you to keep it up until the end of the month. Patience is our word for the rest of May. We are going to be looking for students of the month for May. I know that's a little different. We usually have students of the week. But remember, before we did distance learning, we had students of the month. We're going back to students of the month, both for our online bears and our hybrid bears. Teachers will be looking for students that have been resilient for the month of May, that have been patient, and for the hybrid bears here at school, those who are following our protocols. There's lots of new rules to follow, being 6 feet apart, wearing your mask every day, washing your hands, being sanitized, and just being careful. So we're looking for those attributes so we can honor Students of the Month, online and in person. And I just want to shout out to our amazing astronomers that are here in the morning, our brilliant biologists that are here on campus in the afternoon, our dynamic discoverers that are online in the morning hours, and our clever chemists that are online in the afternoon. We care and love all of you and know that we are doing our best to meet all of your needs. Just a few reminders about COVID testing for our hybrid students. We are doing testing here at school. It may be every 7 to 14 days. We are scheduled to have our testing team here on Friday, May 7th. We hope that we will be able to test all the students. This is new for LAUSD. So our last testing, we weren't able to get to all the students in the time that they were here. So we are going to roll with these punches and know that parents, you will not be stopped from getting a daily pass. So hopefully this Friday we'll be able to test all of our hybrid bears. Daily pass is required. I know this is one of those extra protocols, and I really do appreciate the patience of our parents and community. We are here for you. So if you run into an issue with the daily pass system, please let us know. We have a community representative, Nancy Morales, who will reach out to you, walk you through it. She has helped several parents. But thank you to all those parents that are using the Daily Pass every day, that are bringing that with their child, and again, for your patience with this system. It is not perfect. On Monday, we experienced some downtime with the system. It was across the district for about 15 minutes. So I really appreciate those parents that really persevered through those technical issues. Reminder about Monday's schedule. It is shortened so we can have professional development with our teachers. So our morning hours are 8 to 10:30. Our afternoon hours are 11:30 to 2. Students who are in STAR will go directly to STAR when they are dismissed from their hybrid programs. A reminder for meals. Parents, we have a new meal, weekend meals. If you would like a weekend box for your family, please send a note with your child on Thursday, and we ask that you please pick up that box because it will be a box of food. If they're in STAR, we'll have the box ready for when you pick them up from STAR. If students are picked up, you just need to let us know and we'll have that box ready for you. So if you would like a weekend meal, just send a note with your bear. Our STAR program, it is going wonderful. We are saddened that we had to cap our program and start a waiting list. We are hoping for more staff and also more facility area with tents so that we can open it up to more students. We will get those families in as quickly as possible, but we are right now at capacity still. Our new STAR director, Mr. Jesus Perez, is awesome. His email address is there, jesusp@starinc.org. Please email him if you have any questions. Remember to have your bear bring their computer if their teacher needs them to do work in the classroom using it, or if they need it for STAR after school. Maybe a reusable bag in case they do get meals from school. There's a lot of food they get every day. A blanket to sit on, a beach towel, something small, and water. Please make sure your bear brings water and that they label their water bottle. One of the reminders again, our 6 feet distancing. Bears are doing great with their masks, but they also have to remember to be 6 feet apart. And I have some useful tools coming soon for our Beethoven Bears here on site to help them remember how far is 6 feet. So parents at home, if you can kind of show them how far 6 feet is using a measuring tape, that would be great. It's hard to, at school for them to realize how far 6 feet is. And of course, they just enjoy being around each other and are back to their old routine. So we're still reminding the students to please be 6 feet apart, especially when they're eating and they have their mask off. Here are some announcements for this week. May 3rd through 7th is Teacher Appreciation Week. Thank you so much to our parents, our friends at Beethoven, for honoring our staff. I'm so proud to be the principal here at Beethoven, and we have just a wonderful group of people that are like-minded and want to do the best for children. So this is a special week for our staff. Thank you to our Beethoven staff. You make me proud, and I love coming to work with you, the students, and the community. May 11th, 12th, and 13th, I am hosting our new parent tours. So new parents that are in TK and kindergarten and 1st through 5th, if you're new to Beethoven, please sign up for a tour. They're at 1 o'clock on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week. And I look forward to touring the school with you. And please make sure you get a COVID test and you have your daily pass ready. On May 7th, we're having Picture Day. This is a makeup day if you miss fall, spring pictures, and culmination for our 5th graders. We also have our COVID school-based testing on this Friday, May 7th as well. So for Picture Day, May 7th, this is optional. You do not have to take pictures. Teachers did pass out the teacher package for parents. There is no online order for this picture package, so you would have to send in the money with your student on Friday, May 7th. This day will also accommodate our hybrid AM and our hybrid PM students to take pictures. Our online students can take pictures from 11 to 12 p.m. They will enter the auditorium through the Lucille door, and they have to have a recent COVID test, and they also need to have a daily pass. But those students that are online, you are welcome to come and take pictures as well. We are also doing 5th grade culmination pictures. We will have all of our 5th graders take a cap and gown picture. Parents, if you would like to order those cap and gown pictures, you can use the same order form. And if you would also like your 5th grader to take spring pictures, you can use the same order form for the spring pictures as well. So May 7th is a busy day for us. We are taking our pictures for spring. I want parents to mark their calendars. We have some upcoming events and I want you to be made aware of them. May 31st, there is no school in honor of Memorial Day. May 17th through May 28th, we are having our annual American Heart Association event. This is an optional event to support the American Heart Association. You are welcome to support this event. It is optional. May 24th to June 6th is our Beethoven silent auction, one of our wonderful Friends of Beethoven events. Please support the silent auction. We will get the we will get the website address for where you can purchase goods that were donated for the silent auction. And again, those proceeds go to Beethoven. They support our teacher assistants and so many other great programs that we have here at the school. On June 9th at 8:30, we are having our 5th grade culmination. So parents in 5th grade, mark your calendars. We will let you know more details as we get closer, but you will have to have a COVID test and you will have to have a daily pass. There will be a limited amount of families that can come per student. We are doing this outdoors on the field, and we're looking forward to honoring our 5th graders. June 11th is our last day of school. That's a Friday. And June 12th, we're having a 5th grade picnic here at school for our 5th graders. And August 9th is the tentative start date for the 21-22 school year. They have not voted yet on this date, but this is what we are told. So once the date is voted on, which is soon, we will make sure that we set our calendars and that we alert you of the actual date. Now it's time for happy birthdays. This is a thank you to our families who donated to our Friends of Beethoven pledge that brings in the bulk of our donation for Beethoven. I want to say happy birthday to Keenan. His birthday was on April 26th. Happy birthday, Keenan. Happy birthday to Michael Nunez. His birthday was on April 30th. Happy birthday, Michael. In the month of May, we have Finn. Happy birthday, Finn. His birthday was on May 2nd. Penelope, her birthday was on May the 4th. Her birthday's today, and I saw her with her birthday hat on. Happy birthday, Penelope. Happy birthday to Gavin. His birthday is on May 6th, so his birthday is this week. Happy birthday, Gavin. And happy birthday to Andrew Galvan. His birthday is on May 9th. Happy birthday. So happy birthday to our bears. Wow, we have lots of birthdays for April and May. I want to say happy Mother's Day to all of our mothers here at Beethoven, at school, in our community, to our aunts, godmothers, grandmothers. I hope you have a beautiful and lovely Mother's Day on Sunday. Beethoven community, I want to share that our beloved Pedro was in a bicycle accident last weekend. Pedro will not be at work for probably about 3 weeks or more. He was injured. He went to the hospital. He is at home recovering. He is doing better. We are making him cards. And parents, if you want to drop off anything for Pedro, you can bring that to the main office, as we do plan to mail and make sure that he gets all of the love and support as much as we can send him. We know that Pedro loves riding his bikes and his scooters, and so we are really saddened that he was in a bicycle accident this last weekend. But again, he's at home recovering with his daughter and his wife. So please keep Pedro in your prayers and thoughts as he heals and recovers. It is time to wrap up our morning, so we're going to do our 4 B's. Come on, Beethoven Bears, do it with me. Are you ready? Get your R's ready. This is ready. That's your R. Be respectful. Be responsible. Be safe. And the last one, be a buddy, not a bully. Because what are we, Beethoven? We are winners. What are we? We are winners. What are we? Our hybrid and our online bears are winners. Thank you, Beethoven Bears, and have a great rest of your week.